Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp. And we're going to learn about how to target a specific child of an element using jQuery. And this is a way when you don't know the specific ID or element, or you wanted every nth child or the nth child of nth target. So we can see here, and we could think of it like traversing through an array and such. So you can look at that. For example, in here, is saying that we're using the selecting the target class. For the third one, we want to add the class animated bounce. So for this exercise, it wants us to make the second child in each of your well elements bounce. You must select the element's children with the target class. So let's look at the HTML. Let me expand this bit. Okay, so we're traversing through the well, and we're gonna make the second element, second child, and it goes from 0, 1, 2. So we're gonna see the 6 and then the 3. And then we're gonna have it bounce. And to do that without specifying the specific target ID name, we can just follow the syntax. So I'm just gonna copy this and put it below here. And I'm gonna change it to 2. And we're gonna see how it bounces like that. And that'll be all for this one. Thank you so much.